Northern Italy has a history of tomato sauce and pasta, but it doesn't always have to be a cooked tomato sauce. I'm going to show you a fresh tomato sauce that's going to go beautifully on hot pasta. Northern Italy has some yummy, fresh tomato sauces. We're going to make an easy and quick tomato sauce and put it on some hot pasta, and it's going to be delicious, different, and good. First up, I'm going to make my fresh tomato sauce. So let me show you the ingredients. I have some peppers right here that have a little bit of olive oil on them. These are roasted peppers. I have some fresh tomatoes that I just chopped up. I have anchovies, garlic, tomato paste, a little red pepper flake for some something, and some salt and pepper. And then I've got the dividing ingredient, and that is anchovies. This sauce has anchovies in it, and it's just going to bring a briny, salty taste, so I don't have to use as much salt. All we have to do is put all this in a blender or a food processor. So I'm going to start with my peppers and olive oil. So those are going to go in first. Next up, I'll just start putting my garlic, tomato paste, and I'm going to need a spoon to grab a little tomato paste out of that bowl. You know, if you have leftover tomato paste from a can, it freezes great. I'm going to put in a couple of my anchovies. Now these anchovies, no one will even be able to tell that they're in there, but they're going to add such flavor. And then last but not least, a couple cups of just fresh tomatoes. Now, here's my, I've got my pepper, and then here's my secret ingredient. My secret ingredient is I've got toasted walnuts. I toasted them or roasted them at 400 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes, and I just took them out a little while ago. You don't want them to be super hot for this sauce, so I got them out and set them down on the counter for a while so they cooled a bit. I'm going to use about half of these walnuts right in my sauce. It's going to make the sauce nutty and creamy and just delicious. So I'm going to use the rest of my walnuts as a garnish. So here we go, and then we're just gonna now I want to put some pepper and about a teaspoon of salt right in there. I'm being very messy, but look at the color this is turning. Isn't it gorgeous? Now my sauce is ready for the pasta, and I've got the pasta already done on the stove. Now all I have to do is take this beautiful pasta and put it right into my bowl. Woo! There we go. Don't you love it? It's so fun with all its twisty, turny squigglies. Okay, I'm going to set my pot aside, and now we're going to sauce the pasta, and it's still so nice and warm you can see it. I'm going to put my fresh tomato sauce on there, and then I'm going to garnish it with walnuts that I had toasted. So here's some garnish of walnuts. And that's it for the fresh tomato sauce and pasta. That's our final dish for Northern Italy. Ciao until we meet again.